Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unblock someone on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to unblock someone on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after landing over here on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three dotted icon available for us at the top right corner. Tap on that three dotted icon, and over here tap on settings. And over here guys, again you can see the privacy options available for us just below the account. Tap on privacy, and over here scroll down until you can find the blocked contacts option available for us just above the app lock. Tap on blocked contacts, and over here all of your blocked contacts will be available over here. Now in order to unblock that contact, tap on that contact, and you can see the unblock option available for us appearing. Tap on unblock, and with that being done guys, your contact will be unblocked on WhatsApp. And there guys, this is how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.